Hi, I'm Rahul Jigmet and I'm a user experience designer. My project is called Cognitive Trauma and it's about the use of persuasive design and behavior psychology in games and how game developers use those tactics to increase players' screen time. So this project is basically to invoke some intrinsic motivation in players who interact with my installation towards real-life experiences and events. You start to play the game or continue to play the game because you have some psychological needs like autonomy, competence, and relatedness. When you play the game satisfies those needs. When the game satisfies those needs, you keep going back to the game. So I made a physical version of the game itself and removed all the persuasive design elements that were bad for the players over long term. The map itself is from a game called PUBG, and then I made it physical using polystyrene and using CNC, and then I'm using projection mapping to project the textures on top. It has a bit of a sensor or a camera there that picks up your hand using AI. The main purpose of the game was to invoke some intrinsic motivation in players to value their real-life experiences. The installation should make the user feel like they have a bit more motivation towards valuing their real-life experiences more and not just focus on a screen gaming the whole time, but also go out, do some physical activities. Working on this final major project was all about developing new skills. On this project, I learned about like 4 or 5 different new softwares. If you talk to your tutors about your project in depth, like over time, they are really helpful in like bringing people in. I reached out to them later while developing the project. We did work on the project together as well, outside course time. So that was very good. Now I think like when I graduate, I don't need to like wait for somebody to help me. I can just go out there and like make something of my own. Yeah.